In the last video, we sailed to Tahaa and anchored near the coral garden. In this video, we snorkeled in the coral garden, one of the best in the French Polynesia. Enjoy the sunset with a glass of Bordeaux and Mount Otemanu as the backdrop. Got off the catamaran, got on dinghy. It's a short, scenic ride. Water is shallow. The best route is to aim bungalows and make a wide turn towards the coral garden. Usually there are quite a few small boats and jet skis around the entrance of coral garden. Turn off the engine, lift outboard, get in water. Drag the dinghy to the shore. Initially, I want to leave the dinghy on a patch of sand in the middle of water with its anchor, since the tide difference in the lagoon is usually only 1 foot. I'm not sure how much I can trust the dinghy anchor though. So I put the dinghy to the shore and tied it really good around the tree trunks. Tidy up the boat, make sure the gas can is closed. Dropped the anchor on the brown alleyway. The motu with the coconut trees is very picturesque. Many people dressed up for nice photos. In my opinion, this is one of the best snorkeling spots in French Polynesia. Here are a few reasons. The location is very easy to access. The motu next to it is a great place to relax, have a picnic, or just rest a little between rounds of snorkeling. Due to the natural current flow from reef side to lagoon, we simply follow the trail as far as we can towards the reef, then got into the water and floated back to where we parked our dinghy. Then we did it again. Let's see if there are any fishes in the water. Wow, not bad at all. This officially kicked off our snorkeling journey at Coral Garden, French Polynesia. We spent the entire afternoon snorkeling so many rounds back and forth. Still only covered a tiny portion of Coral Garden. Enough talk, let's see some tropical marine life and amazing corals. After snorkeling, we changed our anchor place about a mile south. It's time to sit down, open a bottle of Bordeaux. After a day full of cardio exercises, relax and enjoy the sunset with Mount Otemanu. In the next video, we raise the anchor, sail to Bora Bora, the crown jewel of French Polynesia. Passed all the 5-star resorts in the very shallow area of Bora Bora East, and finally moored off Point Tahaa. Thanks for watching today's video. See you next time.